What's going on, guys? It's Elias. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. For today's video, we're going to be looking at how to drive on the NCM Motorsports Park. So as you can see, I'm driving my Honda Prelude. This is my 5th gen Honda Prelude with an H22A. It's got some light modifications, the best of which is the Hankook RS4 tires. Now, this is my first time ever on the track, and we're going to see, I'm actually going to get very frustrated with this track because the longer the track, the more time you're going to have to spend to learn it. I'd say the two biggest obstacles for anyone trying to learn this track for the first time is that one, a lot of the curves that you encounter are blind curves. You don't really see them until you get to them. So you really do have to have knowledge of the upcoming curves so you can set up the car accordingly. A lot of the times I was reducing speed way too much before a turn because I just didn't know what was up ahead, and that really frustrated me, especially in a slow car like a Prelude or a Miata or any other momentum car. The other thing I would say is that this course has a lot of left and right hand sweepers that you can take pretty much flat out, and that takes a little bit of time to get used to, especially if you don't know what that corner looks like, especially in the beginning. So I would say be patient, take your time, and if you get frustrated like I do, don't worry, you're in good company. Almost everyone that has to learn this track gets frustrated, and you're not alone. Alright guys, let me know if you have any questions. I do get much better at this track. I get semi-competitive, and I tend to have a ton of fun at whatever track I'm at. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see, the session was red flagged. That means that someone had a bad enough accident where everybody on the track has to stop safely, somewhere safely. So what you see me doing here is look for somewhere safely to stop. So regardless of that, what do you guys think of the driving? I think I improved incredibly each session I went out. That's really what it's all about, guys. Having fun, learning the track, and getting better and better every time you go through it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace out.